Hello and welcome to a lovely day in Wicklow. So previously what we would have done is we would have had a look at mapping programs, and what I would do is I would have everything already open. So we would come over here, for example, to GeoHive, and we would go into here, yes, we type the terms and conditions, and I'll show you how to use it. But what I thought I'd show you today is exactly how I come about to that conclusion, rather than saying, okay, we're going to go to Kerry and we're going to have a look at gold, and we're going to have a look at old copper mines, and we're going to have a look at this. Let's have a look at, and I genuinely haven't prepped any of this, I just thought I'd show you the process I follow to actually look for things. So, we all know that there is protests going on about gold in Leitrim. Campaigners are convinced to citizens who oppose the plans of prospecting for gold and silver locally. Okay, so looking for silver as well, excellent stuff, so that's a bit of information. Let's go ahead and pop that into our notes. So gold and silver. Gold prospecting license. So prospecting license. Just trying to find the name of the company. Hold on a second here. The department sought that Flint Ridge Resources was sought to explore this area in Leitrim, and its sister company in Oma previously held licenses in 2004 and 2020. Okay, brilliant. So this is useful information. Right, let's open up a new tab. Okay, Flint Ridge Resources. So Flint Ridge Resources are Galantas. Okay, so the Galantas mine, for example, if you think about it, there is one already open up north. When we're looking at Flint Ridge Resources, we see that Flint Ridge Resources is Galantas Irish Gold. And we can have a look at what licenses they hold in the south. That will give us our project. Okay, so what we want is available exploration data. What we want to do now, though, is we'll take out the drill holes for a second. What we want PL areas. Now, this gives us all the PLs are outlined. We're in the mapping system. We found Leitrim. We go into layers. This button here. In layers, we check the box here for PL outlines. We're not interested in status. So now it tells you all the prospect license. PL 4415. You click onto it, it tells you this. This button here, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It's a secure connection. Sometimes it works, but the easiest option is copy the PL number. We go back over to Minerals Ireland. Again, just to show you, from Minerals Ireland, we then go to available exploration data, and then we do a search engine. Okay, here we go. So this one was base metals, which is always just what they use for absolutely everything. Look, base metals, silver ores, barytes, gold and ores. Just for some reason, every prospect license has that. License ended 23rd of November 2015. Obviously, what we do is prospecting for fun. Mining is, chalk and cheese. I just thought I'd show you that and say how that works. Yeah, if you find this information helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and sure, I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye bye.